Hello and welcome guys in your own YouTube channel EaGeR Nomeshwer Sharma. With this video we are releasing our new video series named as Amazing Android Apps. With no more delay, let's start with the first episode of this series named as Amazing Android Apps. In this video, I will describe the application which is considered as number 1 in the list of 7 best free language learning app by a technology information and advice website Livewire. Before discussing our application of this video, let's take a look on the language learning apps category. As our data sources shows that there are more than 2.7 million apps in Google Play Store in 2019. The number is increasing day by day. There are a lot of language learning apps in the Google Play Store which is performing well. There are different methods adopted by each application to teach their user. Learn 50 languages, word up, vocabulary, etc. Focus on vocabulary. Learn language with Memrise and Duolingo focus on the voices of the language and the sentence structure. Applications like EaGeR focus on our grammar. It provides us video lectures. Common thing in all language learning apps is that these all teach you a language using the written text or some images, audios or some video lectures. After that, to check your performance, each app take tests in the form of games. With the passage of time, they increase difficulty level. When you have learned a language, some of the application provides you with a certificate. Now let's discuss our application of this video, Duolingo. This application is published on the Google Play Store on 29 May 2013 with the name Duolingo Learn Language Free. Duolingo is an American company headquartered in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The company was founded almost 8 years ago on 30 November 2011. Duolingo features a green-colored owl in its logo, which signifies wisdom. Let's see some of its achievements in Google Play Store. It has more than 100 million, that is 10 crore downloads. It is having high rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars, given by more than 8 million reviewers. It is in 6th position in the list of top grossing in education category. Duolingo has won the Google Play's Editor Choice Badge in 2013. Duolingo won the Google Play's Best of the Best title for the year 2013 and 2014. Now, let's install the application in our device. First of all, go to Play Store app and then search for Duolingo in the search bar. You can download this application from the link given in the description box. Here you can see the application info as 4.7 rating, 18 MB download size, rated for 3+, family friendly, and 100 million plus downloads. Number 6 on top grossing and editor choice. Now install the app. The installation speed will depend on your data speed. Wait until the installation is not completed. Now to start learning on Duolingo, just start the application. Here, if you have account, then click on I already have an account. If you are new to Duolingo, then click on Get Started button. As you can see, this application does not ask you for the language you know, because from your default device language, as in my case is English, application has got the data that I know English language. This is the power of Duolingo. Now, from the given list of courses, choose the courses whichever you want. At present, the number of courses is 91, but with future update, it will further increase. Now, from the list, pick your goal for every day. According to the goal, your attendance will count. You can always change this goal later. Here,
Give the reason why you are learning that language. There will be focus on the words related to that category to make your learning more useful and productive.
In this page, you can choose one of the two given options. If you are learning a new language, then click on the new to that language option. After that, the course will begin from the introduction to the alphabets and basic vocabulary. As in my case, I am a native Hindi speaker, so I will click on the second option, that is already know some Hindi. Now Duolingo will take my test to know my level, that how much I know Hindi. This test will contain 25 questions and take almost 5 minutes to complete. Within the test, click the right answer from the option given below in the right sequence. The simple and light layout is one of the special features of Duolingo.
No. So.
Duolingo use TTS software, that is text to speech software, to read text displayed on the screen. You can see our video on TTS from suggestion box also. To listen your pronunciation, Duolingo use the Google Voice input. With the ultimate coordination of TTS and Google Voice input, Duolingo makes a perfect language learning environment. Now, after this process, if you want to save your performance on the online server of Duolingo, so you can create an account. If you do not want to create an account, you can click on later. Don't worry, your account will be free of cost. When you click on Create Profile button, Duolingo will ask your age. This is required to know your learning capability. You can simply log in using your social account so that you will not ask for your age and name. Duolingo will automatically get the data from your social account. You will not have to create any password with your social account login. But I will proceed with creating Duolingo account. So, provide your name, email address and choose a password. After that, click on Create Profile. After successful completion, return to home. This is the home screen layout of Duolingo. Now let's see how Duolingo teaches us a language. As we know, Duolingo provides a lot of courses. Each courses are divided into sections. Each sections are divided into 5 levels. Within each levels, you can have up to 15 lessons depending upon the levels. Each lessons have 15 questions. Now, let's take a lesson.
वह पीटर है. राज एक आदमी है. एक किताब और एक सिक्का. वह पीटर है.
Now let's see how does Duolingo engage its user. After each lesson, Duolingo give XP, experience point. These XP mark our attendance. After completing every lesson of the level, we will be rewarded with crowns. So each section worth of 5 crowns due to 5 levels in each sections. Duolingo counts total crown gains, days in a strike, total gems earned, which are used to buy power-ups from the shop, health, which is necessary to learn any lesson. If you don't have health,
you must refill or earn it by practice or automatically after 4 hours. In the present update of Duolingo, it has 10 leagues. These leagues has 50 competitors, out of which top 20 competitors will go to next league and the last 10 contestants will be demoted to the previous league. The result of the league will be declared on 12 a.m. every Monday according to the American time. It provides achievement based on many different activities. You can follow any friend or a friend of yours can follow you. Duolingo will remind you to make your attendance every day by notification. Duolingo provides you your weekly progress report on your email.
This was whole about the application, which is number 6 on top grossing, has 100 million plus download, has 4.7 rating on Google Play Store. Duolingo. Thanks for watching this first episode of the new series Amazing Android Apps. Hope you like the video. Now let's meet again in the next episode of this series, which will be uploaded on the next full moon night. So till then, goodbye, be creative.